sold my soul. You brought it back to me and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me and gave me strength to stand alone today, to face the world own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me, and I can't believe it's you. I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there. And I can't believe I should have never be a fool, 'cause I've only found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was gone, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me home when I was at the end, and turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend, you gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity.